Hello out there. Trying something new today. I just found out I was having problems posting to Instagram through Hootsuite. So I was searching for another alternative. I want to schedule posts. So, as I know many of you do as well. So I was poking around, and guess what I found? In Facebook's business pages, you have something called the Creator Studio, and here it is. And here we are inside my Creator Studio. You can see I have a couple of posts scheduled already, and then some that published earlier today. And right now I'm going to show you how to use this. You can change it across here: video, photo, carousel, stories, even Instagram TV, which is your vertical phone video. You can see your Instagram account from here. You can see your insights, what's been going on, how many visits you're getting, emails, impressions. Pretty cool little feature here. You can also post to your Facebook and Instagram simultaneously here. So to create a post, you just go up there, pick create post, and here we go. There it is. I'm going to go over here and get some content. In my case, for this one, it's going to be a shot of Philadelphia. So I'm just going to take that and save it over here. And then I'm going to go back to Creator Studio. Let's see. I'm going to paste this caption in there right here. Go back over here, paste in. I'm going to add a location. Just typing in the little text window here. I'm going to go ahead and add the link back to that, even though Instagram doesn't activate the links. People can still copy and paste it out of there and use it. You can add in hashtags here, 30 mentions, 2,000 or 2,200 characters or something like that. Bunch of hashtags. So I'm going to hit Philadelphia, put that in there. We'll put Ariel and PA. You can even put some emojis in there if you want. We'll just add a shooting star. How about that? Then we just need to add the file, show people what it is. There it is. I'm going to tag myself in here because I'm the content creator. Hit save down here. Then I'm going to go ahead and crop it because I know Instagram's going to want to make it a square. I'm going to want it a landscape like that. I mean, I could go either way. And so then I can post to Facebook too here if I want. There's also a few more advanced settings in here. You can turn off commenting, or you can tag if you have a business partner. You can tag them in here, pretty useful. So down here, then I can either save this as a draft to schedule later, or I can schedule it right now. And you can schedule this out 6 months, or in this case, I'm just going to put it out to 4 o'clock. It's 3:55. Oh, you got to do 10 minutes. So I'll do 4:05, and I'm going to schedule it. Boom. So there it does, resets right there, and there it is. You now have a scheduled Instagram and Facebook post, and it's just that simple. If you've got a business account, and if you don't, I'd go make one. If you do, go find this feature. Okay, it's Christopher Boswell with Real Window Creative. Come see us, www.realwindowcreative.com. There's a blog, we do podcasts, video, there's YouTube. You can jump off to everything from realwindowcreative.com. Come on over, check it out. See ya.